Timmy and his friends Big T and Sunglow love playing pretend. Today, they are villagers in a magical forest. Everything was going well until suddenly... Achoo! Timmy has a runny nose. It'll be fine, Timmy says. It's probably just a small cold. The friends head out to play. But soon enough, he's infected Big T, Sunglow, and all the magical forest creatures. Everyone is coughing and sneezing. Oh no! Big T and Sunglow are walking around the village when they see everyone sneezing. Timmy is usually the wizard in their pretend games, but he is so sick he can't help them come up with the healing potion everyone needs. We have to do something, Sunglow says. Let's head to the forest library. There has to be a book that can help us there. After searching long and hard among the stone encyclopedias and piles of research papers made of leaves, Sunglow and Big T finally find a potions book. The instructions for the sneezing cure say, Magic Forest Sneezing Cure. Everyone in the village must bring something special. Only then will the disease disappear. Big T and Sunglow gather the forest creatures to tell them the news. Everyone brings something special. Eventually, they use all the magic ingredients and create the cure together. Everyone in the forest is cured. Big T, Sunglow, and Timmy feel so good. Because everyone worked together, they were saved.
Yay! When we all contribute what we can, big or small, everyone wins.